I'm about 7 miles away from my destination here. So we shall see.
W7BJ. We're here at this Chino grinder, and Dave pretty much is the guy that has the equipment feedable antenna system. I don't think we're going to have any problem communicating with net control with that. Beautiful Arizona.
Got the first riders coming back in here, and we'll keep working on the water supply. Net control,
Roughly from a high spot. Yes, probably somewhere around 6 sweeping dynamic view. Fairly clear day. A little bit of haze.
This is Dave, W7BJ, his rig, the main.
With regard to being able to actually take a look at the digital readouts, the meter readings, this little computer, which I can take, one of my favorites, and I'm going to add to it probably a little signal link